Day number 30 here in the Best Easy Work Relaunch series. Day number 30, we've gone through 29 days of action-packed stuff where I showed you different things that you could implement to move your business forward. Now, in the last 29 days, what we really featured and covered was a way to systematically set up a business online to market anything. So not just Best Easy Work. This was an exercise to show you how to set up a marketing system for any business. It just so happened that we used Best Easy Work to feature that process of how you could go about setting up an entire system here to market whatever you want to get results and activity happening in that business. So day number 30 here, we're going to go ahead and recap everything we did for the last 29 days. So what you want to do is check the action step below in the description box. What you'll find is a list of all the topics we've talked about for the last 29 days. In addition to that, you'll find the videos that you could easily get to so you can get the training about that information. So let's show you the recap of what we did for the last 29 days. So this is going to be Best Easy Work Day 30 Relaunch Recap. So in day number 1, what we did was, in a sense, restarted or jump-started our business. So that could be anything. Just so happened that we featured Best Easy Work to be the relaunch that you're doing. So day number 1 was just deciding to relaunch and give your business a new start. Day number 2 was showcasing the one word that will give you success. So you definitely want to check that video out if you haven't. Day number 3, we talked about research and planning. Because with any business, anything you're going to attempt here, you definitely have to do your research and your planning in order to figure out what the business is all about and how you're going to get it going. Day number 4, we talked about Best Easy Work Setup. So Best Easy Work Setup, we showed you some of the things you need to get this system and this business set up for yourself. Day number 5, we talked about advertising plan. So this is where you sat down and decided how you're going to advertise, right? How you're going to attract people to the business of Best Easy Work. Day number 6, we talked about marketing 101. You know, what marketing is, gave you the definition. And then we started from day 6 to day number 15, showcasing 3 traffic sources that you could advertise at. So we have Loop Click, Hit to Hit, List Unlock, Traffic Impact, Traffic G, Traffic Swarm, Adland Pro, Classifieds for Free, Hercules, and Ideal Toolbox. Now, day number 6 recapped everything we did here. All these 3 traffic sources, the links you'll find under day number 16. Day number 17, we talked about automation. How to create an automated traffic kind of system happening in your business so you don't have to spend a lot of time posting ads one by one online. Day number 18, we talked about improvement. Pretty much learning new things, right? So you can improve your business. And in the spirit of learning new things, I showed you how to make banners, particularly 728 by 60 banners or anything that you want to make. Day number 19, we talked about tools you need. So we featured a tool you need in your business, and that was a rotator. Day number 20, we talked about conversions and what that looks like and what it's all about. And also provide with a link so you can watch that video and get that information of how to work with conversions. Day number 21, we talked about branding yourself and why it's so important and how you can actually go about doing that. Day number 22, we talked about self-doubt and facing it right on that, you know, at some point this might creep up, but when it does, what to do with it. Day number 23, we talked about setting up a command center. Pretty much your command center is where you run everything about your business through. So I showed you a command center and how to set one up. Day number 24, we talked about Gmail and Google and how it works so very well. Day number 25, we talked about duplication and how to create that in your business. Day number 26, we talked about your mode of operation. Pretty much, what do you do every day to move your business forward? Of course, day number 27, we talked about market expansion program. Pretty much is all about finding a training portal so you can keep abreast of all the new and cutting edge marketing strategies. But in addition to that, you can learn the solid, tried and true methods of how to make money online. Day number 28, we talked about join the community to foster your learning and also to support you. Day number 29, we gave tossed the idea out there that, you know what, to make this work, you also need to help and teach others. So I give you some insight about that as well. And of course, day number 30, which is the video you're on, is a recap of everything. So this is the blueprint here of how you could actually start your own business. So if you want to go ahead, start your own business with Best Easy Work and relaunch it and get results and activities. So if you follow this process, you'll definitely, have better traction than you currently are. So this is a blueprint that if you want to go ahead and create your own system, you could use all these video tutorial sessions that I provided for you for the last 29 days and craft your own system. But here's the thing. If you don't want to go through this and then, you want to make better use of your time, what I've done is I've created a 7-day blueprint that you can start using right now. And I show you the traffic sources that I even use with my blueprint. So very simply here, what I'm allowing you to do is really copy my blueprint that's already in place. So all those 29 steps that I had you focus on, that's exactly what I've done. But the thing is, I've condensed it down to a 7-day blueprint that literally works for anyone. So if you're interested in that, what you can do is respond back probably with an email or just respond back to whatever information I put down below here, and I will certainly get a return information back to you so you can get some information about this 7-day blueprint. So either way, you decide. Use the information I've provided to you in this 29-day series here, pretty much 30-day series, and create your own system. But if you don't have one right now and it's kind of cumbersome to go ahead and do one, what you can do is use my 7-day blueprint and use it, tweak it, and see the results for yourself. So the action step is go check out the information in the description box where you'll find a recap of all the last 29 days of video series we've done.